I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing, bitches on my line.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And this time, we will demonstrate how to make a dimsum.
But before we going on, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Radindra Aryansyah.
And my name is Azara Fatimah.
My name is Sabila Nuraini Al Hasan. My name is Nur Khairiyah.
My name is Sada.
My name is Rangga Rawan Bintang.
Enjoy the video.
Let's start it.
Prepare ingredients for dimsum. Mix the grated carrots and pumpkin with the chicken. Stir until evenly mixed. Add tropica flour, then stir until evenly mixed. Prepare the spring onion, shallot, garlic, and white eggs. Mix the shallot, garlic, spring onions into the dimsum mixture and additional seasonings, then stir again until evenly mixed.
Add 2 eggs whose white and yolks have been split. Stir again until evenly mixed. Prepare the dumplings, then fill the dumplings with dimsum mixture. Heat a pan filled with water, then steam the dimsum for approximately 10 minutes. Remove and serve the dimsum with the sauce. Finally, the dimsum ready to eat. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our videos.
And we hope it's useful.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Make it clap, I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing, bitches on my line.